So the basis of our app is that it's a health app that actually records everything that you do in the entire day, or it gives you basic reminders about what to do, and it also has a profile setting that where you can set up your profile that includes your basic health data. So our goal is to create an easy and intuitive fitness app that lets users to view their health status by analyzing their calorie pattern. So
This is our MBV diagram, um, note which is also called as model view model. Uh, MBV suggests separating the data presentation logic from the core business logic part of the application. Uh, Here, the purpose of this layer is to inform the view model about the user's action. This layer observes the view model and does not contain any kind of application logic. And then we have view model. It exposes those data streams which are relevant to the view. Moreover, it serves as a link between the model and the view. Then we have the model. This layer is responsible for the abstraction of the data sources. Here, model and view model work together to get and save the data.
I'm going to talk about the user interface of MyHealth. So this is the manual entry of the user's activity. So here the user has to manually type out the details of the activity they have performed. So we have an activity type, the date and time, duration, distance, and the calories lost. We also have two buttons here to either save or cancel the activity. The second way of inputting the activity is the automatic entry. Here, the user does not have to do anything. The user has to simply perform their activity, and the app will return all the details of the activity. So here we have an activity type, the average speed, the current speed, the climb, calories lost, and the distance traveled. We also here have the options to save or cancel our activity. Here, the user can check out the previous activities that they have performed. Here, we plan on adding a graph so that the user can visually analyze their calorie pattern. So this is the settings where the user can set up their user profile, choose their units of preference, such as kilometers or miles, or like choose the option to receive notifications or not. The notifications could be daily reminders to either drink water or to exercise. So this is the user profile where the user can set up their user profile. It has the name, email, weight, gender, the calorie goal, and the blood type of the user.
so this is what our basic home page looks like. So this has my today's data. So this has all the calorie intake, the calorie burn, glasses of water that you drank in a day, number of steps. So the number of steps are going to increase whenever you walk. So it's like a sensor and sleep hours. You can input the sleep hours that you slept for and the current stress level you're going to select by using pictures. So if you click on this user button, it's going to take us to the user profile that has the basic user data such as name, gender, age, blood group, weight, and height. You click on this back button, it takes you back to the home page. So, and we also have this reminders button that reminds you to do certain things such as medications, to drink glasses of water, to exercise more, or to walk if you have been sitting for a while. So, and if you click on the back button, it takes you back to the home page again. Now, how to edit the data that's already stored in. So when you click on the edit button, there's a dialog box that's displayed and it says a dialog. So like this one says, did you eat again? Now don't forget to burn it. So then you can enter the number of calories you have had. Like here we have entered 400 and then you press save. When you press save, your new data is updated and it has the calories that you took. So another example is like, for example, calories burned. Click on the edit button. It's gonna display a dialog box. So we have entered 350 right here, for example. And then you click on the save button. It saves the data. So then the home button takes you back to the home. So That's all for our mockup UI.
We plan on implementing a backend for storing different calorie values, analyzing the user's calorie gain or loss. We plan on making a better user interface, sending notifications if the user hasn't exceeded his or her calorie goal. And finally, we plan on fixing existing bugs. Thank you.